This is again your Dr. Yashwant Krishna. Today I am going to talk about Indian medical service. First of all, let's talk about how does the Indian medical care work according to the district. Let's see it. First, what is a basic medical care in India? It is called a sub-center. Each sub-center is present for a 5,000 population. There is around 5 to 6 sub-centers per PHC. What is PHC? It is above sub-center, which is called as primary health care, which is present for 30,000 population. And there are 3 to 4 PHCs per CHC. What is CHC? It is ranked above than PHC. It is called as community health center, which is present for 1,20,000 people. And above CHC, there is called as district hospital, which is otherwise called as medical college. This is the whole pyramid of medical care in India according to districts. So how does Indian medical service helpful to it? What is Indian medical service? It is same cadre like IAS, Indian Administrative Service, which is cleared after a UPSC Group 1 and Group 2 exams. So this cadre should be available or across the country because a doctor should be participating in these exams. After a competitive exam, these services should be provided. What is importance and a concept of Indian medical service? Because this is vitally important, because a doctor properly knows the empathy of other doctors and medical field and medical care and supplies in the scarcities, and he also able to find the sympathy on the people and the patients, and he knows the exact what the patient needs and what are the other care and facility needed by the patient and by the relative. And what is the importance now? See guys, as the cases are climbing on, it's a need of an hour. These exams should be conducted as soon as possible, and every district should be assigned a Indian medical service. I'm not saying here IAS are not doing a good job. I'm only saying that doctors can do a better job with the administrative hand. Please friends, though it may be medico or non-medico, try to share this to the maximum so that the concerning authority can able to see this and do some exceptional change, because it's a time for an expert. Only expert in the field can able to control the situation. Thanks guys. Share it to the maximum.